Dad's FunTastic Learning Channel.
Hi, little explorers. Let's play Guess the Wild Animal. Look closely, think fast, and shout your answer. Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with your friends so they can play too. Ready? Let's go on a wild adventure. King of the Jungle. Lion. Orange with black stripes. Tiger. Giant with a trunk. Elephant. Black and white stripes. Zebra. Tallest neck ever. Giraffe. Tree-swinging animal. Monkey. Chest-beating ape. Gorilla. Big furry walker. Bear. Howls at night. Wolf. Clever bushy tail. Fox. Forest animal with antlers. Deer. Long ears, quick hops. Rabbit. Jumps with a pouch. Kangaroo. Bamboo-loving bear. Panda. Eucalyptus tree hugger. Koala. Spotted tree climber. Leopard. Fastest land runner. Cheetah. Laughing wild hunter. Hyena. Horn on its nose. Rhinoceros. Heavy river giant. Hippopotamus. Sharp-toothed river reptile. Crocodile. Legless ground slitherer. Snake. Sharp-eyed sky hunter. Eagle. Big-eyed nightbird. Owl. Colorful talking bird. Parrot. Waddling cold bird. Penguin. Pink one-leg stander. Flamingo. Fancy feather fan. Peacock. desert animal with humps. Camel. Big shoulder hump. Bison. Giant deer with antlers. Moose. Mask-faced night visitor. Raccoon. Smelly spray defender. Skunk. Playful river swimmer. Otter. Nut-collecting climber. Squirrel. Tiny, spiky animal. Hedgehog. Wild pig with tusks. Wild boar. Standing desert watcher. Meerkat. Big eyes, striped tail. Lemur. Super slow tree hanger. Sloth. Spotted jungle cat. Jaguar. Mountain lion name. Puma. Pointy-eared wild cat. Lynx. Short-tailed wildcat. Bobcat. Yipping wild dog. Coyote. Chunky burrow digger. Wombat. Short trunk nose. Tapir. Long tongue insect eater. Anteater. Armored shell body. Armadillo. Sharp quillback. Porcupine. Tunnel digging animal. Badger. Quick long body. Weasel. Curious burrow explorer. Ferret. Brave snake fighter. Mongoose. Wild dog of Africa. Jackal. Long-faced monkey. Baboon. Red-haired tree ape. Orangutan. Smart jungle ape. Chimpanzee. colorful-faced monkey? Mandrill. Biggest rodent ever? Capybara. Graceful grassland runner. Gazelle. Horned fast runner. Antelope. Mountain climbing goat. Ibex. Hairy mountain animal. Yak. Shaggy Arctic animal. Muskox. Icy tusked swimmer. Walrus. Round flipper swimmer. Seal. Loud barking swimmer. Sea lion. Duck-billed mammal. Platypus. Fierce Tasmanian animal. Tasmanian devil. World's largest lizard. Komodo dragon. Sun-loving big lizard. Iguana. Color-changing lizard. Chameleon. Wide-snouted reptile. Alligator. Sky-cleaning scavenger. Vulture. Zebra-legged forest animal. Okapi. Long-fingered lemur. Aye-aye. Happy-looking animal. Quokka. Spotted marsupial hunter. Quoll. Popcorn-smelling bearcat. Binturong.
Madagascar cat-like hunter. Fossa. Strong-scented mammal. Civet. Slender spotted animal. Genet. Scaly ball roller. Pangolin. Long-eared insect eater. Aardvark. Tiny, funny-named antelope. Dik-dik. Giant antelope. Eland. Spiral horned antelope. Kudu. long-nosed antelope. Saiga antelope. Goat antelope look-alike. Taken. Twisted horn wild goat. Markhor. Black ear tuft cat. Caracal. Tall, big-eared wild cat. Serval. Small, spotted wild cat. Ocelot. Tree-climbing wild cat. Margay. Asiatic wild dog. Dhole. Fox on long legs. Maned wolf. Massive wild cattle. Gore. Helmet-headed bird. Cassowary. Shoe-beaked bird. Shoebill. Wow! You finished all 100! How many did you guess right? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this game with your friends and family. Bye!